What's good, YouTube? This your boy, the Finesse God, Iggy Diggy J Diggy 92, coming at y'all with another slight unboxing unbagging. If I look a little crazy, it's because I just took the boober here to the outworld so she could use the bathroom. So I figured I might as well record this while I have some form of clothing on before I like completely chill for the evening. So as always, man, make sure you hit that thumbs up, that like button, subscribe to the channel. Road to 10K is underway. Let's go ahead and get straight into it. So, this person, oh, that's for the packages. Boober, come here. Come here. Come on. Come on. Let's go to the packages, honey. You shouldn't have got over there if you was scared. Little acrobat. So this first one is from Wrist Mafia. This is like my 5th one. Shouts out to Savage Beauty. I'm sure she ain't gonna mind me opening this because it's mine anyway. But she got me a Wrist Mafia subscription, so this is like the 5th watch I done got. Y'all don't know, I know I have one on right now because I just came from walking her. But like I have like, I ain't gonna say a big watch collection, but I got a decent sized one. So it might be a good idea if I just show off some of my watches, like my little watch collection, whatever. So yeah, just let me know if y'all would like to see that. I think that'd be a dope idea. I might just do it anyway. But not, so this one is from Henry Ashton, and it's just this brown junk. Like, it's kind of nice. It's nice. I think my favorite one so far is the one with the skull in the middle. You'll see it on the I guess the watch collection video. But these watches do be nice as hell. I really like watches, and it's just like I need a new watch like holder box, whatever you call it. But yeah, I'm gonna do that video. That's gonna be fucking dope. All right, so this next one, speaking of dope, comes from the brand God Is Dope. It finally got here. I had it on my card originally, and then I was like, nah, I'm good. And then, like, you know how when shit sell out, then you be like, man, I should have got it just because it sold out. So that's kind of what happened right here. It's just the olive green sweatpants. It says Just God right here. It looks like Nike font. Hopefully they don't get sued, but they definitely do look like Just Do It. So hopefully God Is Dope don't get sued. Y'all be careful, cause Nike be clapping. Like, if y'all get too big, bro, I would hate to see Jesus' favorite brand get clapped, but I wouldn't be shocked. Nike don't hold no punches for nobody. Alright, so next up, well, second to last, is a Hot Topic package. It's one of the 2, but luckily this one just came with another one of my packages that y'all don't need to see. But yeah, this just got here, and I'm super hyped because it's this. A Miles Morales hoodie. And just so you know, this is my fit for Spider-Man No Way Home. I'm super dumb excited to see that fucking movie. That movie's gonna be crazy. If you haven't seen the trailer for it, like, if you're not into spoilers, I wouldn't say it's a real spoiler in the trailer, but I say stay away from trailers if you just want to go into a movie with no idea what's going on. But unless you lived under a rock, that shit gonna be, I don't want to say too much, but that shit gonna be amazing, bro. I can't fucking wait. Ooh, can't wait till that moment. I got a whole fit. I'm wearing my Chicago ones and everything. Alright, so there's that though. I'm fucking talk too long. This last one is actually coming from Gap. Shouts out to Kanye. This ain't some Kanye stuff, but I know the Gap kind of blew up since he started doing shit with them. But honestly, like, if you watch my Frugal Finesse video, which I always fucking refer to, like Old Navy, the Gap, everybody under that umbrella has really nice clothes, and they always be having sales and deals, which is why I caught what I caught, because it was on sale. So this first one, just growing up, as I pull it out, I remember, like, they used to fuck with you if you wore pink, bro. Now it'd be like, man, I'm a grown ass man, I can wear whatever the fuck I want to. So it's just this Gap, I guess, sweatshirt or whatever, in like pink and then like mauve, I guess. But I thought that was fire. Really nice fabric. And I got it for like, let me see if I got the, they put the receipt in here. I highly doubt it, but yeah, the receipt not in there, but it was cheap as hell. Like, Gap is having a sale. Black Friday is this coming Friday. I'm recording this on Wednesday. Thanksgiving is tomorrow. I'm not gonna wish y'all a happy Thanksgiving because some people don't support it or fuck with it, so I ain't mad at it, so I just won't say it. Just happy holidays, and happy day off work. Hopefully you got your day off. If not, get your bread, man. But yeah, man, be on the lookout for Black Friday sales. I don't know when I'm uploading this, probably after Black Friday. Then it's Cyber Monday, so be on the lookout for those too. If you going out, just be safe or whatever. But this last one, I really wanted this one. It's just olive green with the Gap logo in white and like a cream outline with the word original in red. I thought that was like, I really like the color blocking and the way they did it. Because if it was just like green with like the Gap logo without anything else, I would have bought it, but I think the red made that shit like pop. Then the cream outline over the white lettering, like it really made it stand out for me. So I really thought it was dope. Just be on the lookout for more videos, because it is the end of this unboxing, unbagging, whatever you want to call it. I don't really got nothing else coming up, so be on the lookout for that watch collection video. I would really love to do that. What else I got coming? I've been streaming a lot this week just because I've been off and I've had time, which is why I haven't gotten vids consistently. So like Thanksgiving week, I kind of took a break from sneaker YouTube and I went to gaming, like Twitch and everything. So if you haven't followed our Twitch, Savage God Gaming, go check that out. I've been playing Vanguard, played Battlefield once, tried to trade the game, but we ain't gonna talk about that. Just know, Battlefield has no TDM. That's all I'm gonna say. That's all that really needs to be said with that one. But yeah, man, just be on the lookout for more videos to come. I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. And as always, man, I will see y'all when I see y'all. Y'all be easy. Happy holidays. Enjoy the people you love. And man, now's the time for appreciation and stuff. So y'all have a good one. I'm the Finesse God. I love y'all. And I will see y'all when I see y'all.